Hi, my name's Haley Malm, and I just graduated from Eastern Washington University in May. Go Eags and go Cougs. And I was super nervous about finding a job. So I went to the career fair last fall, and I'm so glad that I did. While I was there, I was fortunate enough to meet Kate, and she told me a little bit about LBL ESD. I had never heard of an education service district before, so I looked into it a little bit and decided that I was interested in applying for the job. I got an interview in April, and I was then offered the position, and I'm so happy that I took it. I'm sure there's some questions that everybody's wondering, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to answer them here in a second. And I get the best hours. I only work every day from 8 to 4, and I have a 190-day contract, which means I get the summers off. So that's really awesome. I also get wonderful compensation and super great benefits. And then lastly, LBL pays for all of my mileage, which has been really important because right now I'm scheduled to work at 4 different schools on 3 different days, and I have an in-center day, which means I'm at the hub on Wednesday and also on Friday. Traveling around to schools so far has been absolutely great. I don't get involved in any of the bureaucracy that's often surrounded around schools. I haven't been asked to do lunch duty or recess duty, and I never have to attend collaboration meetings or any other sort of school meetings before school or after school. I've also had a ton of IEP support at all of the schools since I'm only there 1 day a week. Usually there's someone in charge of scheduling all of those meetings and contacting parents, so all I'm in charge of is actually attending the meetings or running the meetings if I'm the case manager, and that has been really, really nice. And it's just been great getting to know so many different professionals and seeing how things are done differently between districts and within schools. On the days that I'm in center, we have a thing called in-center evaluations, and that's something that has been so interesting. We really try and do best practice with those evaluations. So there is a team approach, and we mostly do culturally and linguistically diverse evaluations, which always involve an interpreter and really go above and beyond doing all the things that we've learned in grad school to make sure that the evaluation is valid and gets a really whole picture of the entire kiddo that we're evaluating. And then for the autism evaluations, we have an autism consultant, also learning consultants, and school psychs, so they're just ran really well. And I think the biggest part of those evaluations are a team approach, and that's something that definitely carries over to in-center. I have a great mentor, and everyone in the center is so helpful. They're always willing to answer questions, and this has just been so nice and something that I've really appreciated about working at the ESD. It's a great social environment. There's always lunch table, and we even have a snack table where each discipline takes turns bringing snacks, and it's really just been a great environment to collaborate with other professionals, including learning consultants, school psychs, and autism specialists, and then of course the other speech therapists. I wish you all the best of luck in searching for jobs and sincerely hope that you'll consider LBL ESD as a choice. Happy job hunting!